Let's see what it does. All right. You want to hold this fucking thing right here, this part right here, because it's all made out of rubber shit. You know.
Oh, no, I was just like...
No, you take a picture of that so you can explain to the fucking people what it's called. Cause you, oh, is that it right there? Sorry. Oh, there it is, right, I found it. There's a rip right there.
Oh, man.
Yeah, there's a rip right there. Come over here and look at it. You gotta come over here and just do that to it. Come over where I was standing. Just put your finger in there.
I see the crack.
Okay, so
it's like, can't be like welded or like, not welded, but JB weld. You want to get
what you could do is get another rubber hose that size, or I take that hose off there and stick it in there. I don't know what this thing is for right here, because it looks like you can stick this is a rubber hose too. Looks like you take that off this other thing right here and put it on there.
Yeah, that was like my alternator though.
You did that?
No.
Oh.
No.
What do you mean? Why'd you bring up your alternator?
That because this looks like my alternator.
No, that's your breather. That's your mouth. That's your not your carburetor, but it's your. You got injectors. That's your flow of air. It's got a throttle in there.
I got you.
A big mouth throttle.
No, for real?
It's not big mouth, but it's got a. No, you can't do that. No,
okay.
This car ain't gonna raise it.
Okay.
No, it's not gonna raise it. No, not at all. So I might have a rubber hose, but I'm worried about.
I think I can make it home.
Well, of course you can make it home, but we're gonna spend the weekend on it, okay?
That's cool.
But what I want, because I don't want to do it right now, but
yeah, no.
Because it will rip off. I don't want.
Yeah, we'll.
And I don't want your car stuck here. So, well, I don't mind it being stuck.
Don't get the car stuck here, man.
No.
This is the only car that I haven't had to have towed nowhere.
Okay, good. I have AAA.
Thank God.
I have AAA, by the way. So.
For real.
All right. So I'm gonna take a picture of that too.
Do it.
And I'm gonna look it up on the computer and see how much it is.
Do it.
All right. Get it all ready. Huh?
Did you check this levels?
No, that's your. I haven't checked it. Go ahead and open it. It's not gonna blow up at you. I already let the air out.
Oh.
Oh, that's the fucking people do that shit, man. I hate that shit. Right when you're about to touch electricity and everything.
No, you don't want to do that.
Yeah, I know.
Wait.
Just want to knock them out.
So yeah, I need some. It's not a good
What is
level. It's a little low.
See what the line is right there?
Yeah.
See it wants to be cold right there?
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to be hot right there?
Oh, really? Well, like, it's way below that.
It's way below that line.
Way below that line.
You can see it right there, babe.
Yeah, no, look.
So look right here.
What, you're looking at it? You're telling me what it is, yeah?
Yeah, see that? See where it's at right there?
Yeah? That's normal?
Yeah, see where cold is at? Cold is supposed to be above that.
Oh.
And so...
I don't see the arrow.
See the arrow pointing out right there? Cold fill.
Oh.
Okay, so when it's not hot, you put it right there.
Oh my God, I've been filling this thing full.
It doesn't matter. You gotta think that if you fill it up too much, it'll dump it back somewhere else on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good. You're not gonna. It's really hard to fuck up in it.
It's dripping.
Oh, it's dripping more. Yeah.
It's dripping.
Because you let the air out of that. So you put it back on.
So what's that all about?
It's a vacuum. It's a vacuum. You see, you know what? You know, you don't have to ask that. You already answered the damn question before you. So you'll stop doing it after a while. So yeah.
So that's the best thing. Just keep the cap on.
Well, you want to keep it all on when you're driving anyway, or you don't. You want to always keep the cap on. So always just keep the cap on. Okay.
Just please keep the cap on.
Yeah, please keep the cap on. Okay. All right, let's check the oil. All right, get you back to home.
I'm not sure where. There you go. It is very difficult.
Yeah, see that? See, this is a bad spot because you cut yourself
very
there. I bet you have done that a little time.
I've like skinned my.
You're expecting me to have to put some oil in here, so you better.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Oh, absolutely. Probably need an oil change too.
Yeah. Okay. This right here.
Look at that tree.
Nobody want to pick that up on the side of the road.
No, whose is it?
That's one of the things that Josh brought home from Sherwood Park.
Oh, wow.
So we kept it in my garage for 2 months, so I got rid of it. The only thing we kept is that fruit dump out of it.
Is it sludge?
No, you got plenty of it. You got over too much of it.
What? I've been leaking all over the house.
It may not. How long has the car been sitting here?
What do you mean?
How long has the car been sitting here since you got here?
No, not that long.
Well, look how much oil you got in it.
I've not ever put oil in this car.
Who has?
I don't know. Nobody else has access to the car.
There's way too much oil in it.
Not Moses did that.
There you go. Okay, there you go.
But I don't see it.
All right, that's it. Did you ask him to check it one time?
Never.
You sure?
I've never.
Okay.
I've never let him pop the hood.
That's way too much oil in it.
What the hell?
Okay, hold on.
See, I don't know what's going on.
All right,
This,
so
I got.
we'll do oil change on those weekend also. Okay. The only way
That
to
is
do that is
crazy.
to do the oil change. All right, so we're gonna stick it all back in there and then check it again to see if I'm stoned or not. Yeah, you got way too much oil in it.
What the hell?
All right, so it's a good thing you don't have time.
At least I'm not gonna blow the engine up.
No.
Every car I blew up.
What is up with that, dude?
I know
Hang it into the people.
yes,
You
I
don't
know.
need this. So.
Okay, cool.
All right.
Yeah,
so
I know.
we got a date for this weekend then, right?
We
I'll
got
see
a
you
date
beforehand.
for this weekend.
I'll see you beforehand, right? Hopefully.
Absolutely.
Okay.
We gotta check on your fly traps.
Yeah. You know, coming over in the morning time and having waffles with me.